It's Friday morning. Hello, once again, everyone. Here is a weather update for you on this Friday. And of course, we're going to talk a little bit about the weekend as well. Everything's still on track for a big ticket rain event coming our way overnight tonight and into the weekend, particularly heaviest tomorrow morning and midday. Today is a great day to get something done outdoors. If your yard is a jungle like mine, today, good day to mow. We're going to see some occasional breaks of sun. Actually, a pretty decent size little break of sun, just about to push into much of the valley. So it's going to turn out to be a pretty decent morning out there. Clouds will tend to thicken up again later today, but we will stay dry, it looks like, through the daylight hours today. Temperatures this morning, about where you would expect them to be at this time of the year. Dew points this morning are not that bad. Generally 50s to around 60. Hey, it's the end of June. This is kind of a bargain. A lot of times we have dew points much higher than this here in late June. All the soupy air is back here, where we do have the rain starting to get better organized. Now, this storm is going to strengthen rapidly as it heads our way. It doesn't look like much right now, but this will what we call bomb out almost as it goes into Ohio. Rapidly deepening area of low pressure, and this is unusual for this time of the year. This is the kind of storm and strengthening over a short period of time that we see more often in the fall, certainly the winter, parts of the spring, but it is pretty rare for kind of the heart of summer. So the timing, again, I think we are dry through the daylight hours today. Here's late today, right around 7 p.m. As you can see, nothing going on locally. Here's our storm off to the west, starting to really get its act together. I'm going to fast forward to tomorrow morning when most people were thinking about getting up on a Saturday morning. Lots of things will have changed. Our low over western Ohio, deepening rapidly. Heavy rain across northeast Ohio, northwest PA. These are impressive rainfall rates here. Now notice what we have going on, a dry slot trying to work into southern Ohio. Depending on which model you look at, that'll kind of determine when the dry slot gets in. Some models have different ideas than others. This latest version of the NAM has that dry slot trying to get in pretty early in the day. Not sure if that's right. It might be, but I'm not sure if it's quite that fast. I think we probably still have some heavy rain around through mid-morning tomorrow, unlike what the NAM is showing. For example, here's the GFS suggesting that mid-morning tomorrow, still some pretty hefty rainfall rates around the valley. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, Saturday afternoon in the summer means there's weddings and all sorts of stuff going on, and it's just going to be a bad day to be outdoors. Although by the afternoon, the most consistently heavy rain will be gone. The most consistently heavy rain will be across central PA, far northern Ohio, and up over Lake Erie by the afternoon. That said, it's not going to be dry. I think there will be showers here and there Saturday afternoon and heading into Saturday evening. And then on Sunday, we're going to kind of get into the backlash here. If this were winter, this would be snow showers and very gusty cold winds and all sorts of shenanigans. But it is summertime, so what we're dealing with here is cool winds. It's going to make it feel like it's in the 50s. Showers on Sunday, here and there, off and on, not a consistent rain, but they come and they go. Sunday morning, right through the midday hours, and I think these will tend to taper off and leave us by the end of the afternoon on Sunday. Real quick word about rainfall amounts. Our forecast is in pretty good shape, I think. Here's a look at the latest models, and they all kind of bunch up in here. The legend over here on the left, the average is about 2 to 2.5 inches for much of the valley. I think the highest amounts will be north, the lowest amounts south, so your lower amounts will be down in Columbiana County. Here's the National Weather Service rainfall forecast right here. Numbers a little hard to read, but for most of us, they're forecasting 2 to 2.5 inches with, again, some lower amounts south of Route 30. So everything's on track. No real changes to the ideas. If you live in a flood-prone area, be ready. If you get rain in your basement easily in heavy rain situations, be prepared for that. Make sure the sump pump is ready to roll, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day and into tonight. Be sure to check out Jess Briganti's forecast at noon, and I'll see you at 6 and 11 this evening.